I'm Dawn from Cabin Creek Stitchery and welcome to my long arm quilting studio. So guess what? This is the other half of what it looks like. No makeup on, just hanging out. I've been playing some awesome albums on my Amazon Music and quilting up a storm. I'm having a great time. This is the 40th quilt coming off of the frame this year, so thank you, thank you, thank you. This is client pieced. We chose a big puffy cloud-like kind of pantograph to go across to give it a windy, outdoorsy feel. There are houses and applique that were put on here. It is an edge-to-edge pantograph with a beautiful brown thread, and I will be taking it off of the frame, trimming it, putting on bias binding, and I will be shipping it back to the customer client. Everything all finished and ready, and they're just gonna boom, put it right up on their wall. So let me get a chance to show it to you. Here it is. The texture is fantastic. She chose Quilter's Dream poly batting that she sent to me. And if you want to see more of what Cabin Creek Stitchery is doing, check it out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.